So we are only 73 days away from the big one. 73 equals the word number. Number 73 used to be a TV show here in England. 73 plus 73 is the trumpet. It's Truth Social. It's Ivanka Trump. It's the universe, magic universe. It's a lot of things. But 73 is obelisk. It's Egyptian. It's sacrifice. Children, which is on the the thing that's getting reversed here. It's 25 plus 48. 25 is C. It's Jack, like Jack Kennedy. 48 is Tom. Zim. James. It's a number of things. But yes, 73 days to go. That's all we've got. Just 73 days to go. And obviously the big news is, hey Melissa Davis, how are you? We live in a simulation, everybody. I'm just going to say it. we live in a simulation. Okay, so hey Deborah, lovely to see you. Look, see the sunset. Can you see that just behind the window pane? Obviously, the big news is that RFK Jr has endorsed President Trump, and I just posted a show I did predicting that, and then it kind of went south. South is 83, negative 83, election 83. It seemed like President Trump and Bobby weren't on the same page, and they were kind of having little pops at each other. Not too much, but it was enough. And I said in the video that I have just put up, reshared again, Bedminster, hey, really, the DeLorean, yeah, fantastic. So yeah, a few years ago, sorry, not a few years ago, about 14 months ago, I did that show, and I did all the numbers on it, and they've resurfaced now because they've paired up, because Bobby has come around and joined President Trump. Also, remember President Trump spoke on one of the shows, and he did it 73 hertz today. Well, there you go. See, we're all on time. We're all on time. But 73 hertz. Wow. Hertz is Christ, 77 power. So that would be that'd be 150. 73 hertz. That's fight. That's pull the plug. Trump train. And Bobby's on the Trump train now. So, and that's a brilliant move globally, because, well, firstly I was going to say, so President Trump did is it Brett what's his name? One of the main kind of talk show newscaster guys, newscaster I think, not talk show, but he interviewed President Trump. President Trump said, in reference to Bobby Kennedy, he famously said, I know him, JFK Jr, and the guy went Bobby. Now that's just brilliant Trumpism. Now the question is Junior playing Bobby? Some of the time, all of the time? Thoughts to ask yourself. Questions to ask yourself in your thoughts. Yeah. And obviously Bobby touched his nose when he was asked about if his cousin was still alive. But I wonder if Junior is actually playing Bobby. It is Mission Impossible that we're in. Maybe Bobby's playing Bobby some of the time. Who knows? I guess we'll find out. But I would suspect that Junior's definitely on the case. This is brilliant. Anyway, at another level, the world is seeing that the Kennedys are uniting with the Trumps, even though the other most of the Kennedy family are against Bobby. Bobby is shorter, yeah. Well, that's the thing I thought. So Bobby, and so if that was our original President Trump on stage, because I've spoken many times about how there's, you know, for different reasons there's different President Trumps. They look about the same height. They looked about the same height, and President Trump is 6'3". I don't know if RFK Jr is 6'3". But if it was John, so that's the other thing. So my friend Anna Marins is 74. I did the show yesterday about number 74. There was times where, because they were moving those numbers around, there were lots of 47s. The 47s were moving. Sometimes there was a 4 and then a 7. You'll see it in my thumbnail. Sometimes there was a 7 and a 4. Sometimes there was a 17 and a 47. And then there was also 47, which is John, which is November, which is Ace of Spades, which is Third Eye. Yeah, so they do tell us. They do tell us, but it's brilliant. And this is another one, okay? So Trump plus Kennedy comes to 166, which comes to the simulation. Trump plus Vance comes to 133, Terminator, which also comes to simulation. But the simulation comes to Kennedy plus Trump, or Trump plus Kennedy, 78 plus 88. And that also comes to the White House, and it also comes to the Scooby-Doo ending, or Scooby-Doo ending. Remember at the end of Scooby-Doo, they do the Wayne's World and they pull the mask off. So something's coming, people. It's coming, because all these films and things have been put in place. So it's coming. It's coming. But it's brilliant. It's just, it's amazing. But I know for a fact, I know there's lots of people I know that are really big sympathisers and love RFK Jr. and they don't necessarily go along with President Trump. And I would probably class them as the 3.5ers, with all due respect. But that's really clever, because that will move that base over, as Bobby explained. It will move that base over. I know people in England that feel that way, and I know people in the States that feel that way, that they love RFK Jr. but not necessarily President Trump. And that will bring them over. They'll be on the Trump bus, they'll be on the Trump train, they'll be on the bandwagon. So by the end, probably everybody will be, they are with President Trump anyway, but probably everybody will be. And then we'll see the big reveal, because there'll be a last, you know, they'll still try and get it. Jacob saw God to face. Pineal. I was just talking about Pineal with my brother. We're in a simulation. So, yeah, the Scooby-Doo ending is 166, which is Trump plus Kennedy. Anyway, it's going to be brilliant. But I'd encourage you to look at the video I just reposted, because that coincides with what's just happened. All the numbers add up. Yeah, all the numbers add up. And I heard someone on a show yesterday saying that they thought it was early, that they were going to do this in October. And October 78 Kennedy, so he was coding then, whoever that was, whether he knew it deliberately or not. But he said they brought it forward. But it's on time, because yesterday was, what was it? It was, I lose track of the days now, August 23rd. It was August 23rd. There was a 1, 2, 3 in the date yesterday anyway. I can't remember what it was now. What was it? August 23rd? Was it August 23rd? I forget the days, people. I'll post it in the comments, but there was a 1, 2, 3. So, yeah. We're nearly there, everyone. Maybe I'll call RFK up again and see if he'll come on my show. I did speak to him twice. Whoever was at the end of the phone, it was RFK, but maybe it was John. Yes, 23rd. Thanks, Joan of Arc. There you go. I met someone that said they were Joan of Arc in the past life as well. So, but maybe I've texted Bobby, see if he responds. I'll call him, see if he wants to come on the show now. I'd love to do the numbers with him. I'd love to do the numbers with Eric Trump. Eric Trump's 123. Of course, I'll get my chance at some point in time to do them with President Trump and Ivanka and all the rest of everybody. Ah, thanks, Denise. I love you too. it's great to have you. It's great to have you here. So, and anyway, the sun is going down, but wherever you may be, have a wonderful evening, and get your shungite and orgonite. Shungite plus orgonite is 206, which is quantum physics, and I will see you tomorrow, and we'll only be 72 days away. 72 days. This is interesting as well. So, just in closing, with Bobby yesterday. Yeah, Bobby yesterday. There you go. He doesn't know who I am, but he said, "Are you live streaming, mate?" I was like, "Yeah." So Bobby is 46 in numbers, which is Dove, which is best. JFK was age 46 with the assassination in 1963. President Trump was born in 1946, or maybe 45, but globally 1946. The atomic number for palladium is 46, so we're in a big theatre of drama. You've got to wake all the levels up. It's like going through the Inception dream. You've got to wake everybody up in synchronicity. They've got to be synchronized with each other for it to take effect, which is what's going to happen November 5th. I had a synchronicity with the spinning top this week, actually. And RFK was in that, was he? In spinning? I'll have to look it up. It's in my notes this week. Anyway, what was I saying? So November 22nd, 1963 happened on a Friday, and yesterday was a Friday. And RFK, one of his codes is 63. What one is it? RFK is 35. Yeah, RFK Jr comes to 63. And Friday was 63. And it happened yesterday on a Friday. And also, if you do John Fitzgerald Kennedy Sr., comes to 313. If you do Robert Francis Kennedy Jr., it comes to 313. If you do Donald J. Trump, the Visionary, which is the name of his painting in Mar-a-Lago, which I physically saw a little video with, that comes to 313. If you do the Magician's Nephew in Narnia, Narnia's 57. Cumin, Tesla, 57. The Magician's Nephew, if you include the apostrophe, which is 133, which is simulation, that also comes to 313. And on the Zapruder film, the Abraham Zapruder film of the assassination of RFK, the actual kill shot, guess what frame it is? It is frame 313. 213, nice, there you go. So the kill shot is 313, but then when President Trump said he's going to put Bobby in charge of revealing all the Kennedy information, that's brilliant. It's brilliant. The world needs to know. We all need to know. Some of us do know, but it'd be nice to know all the exact details. But another thing about that is Tesla 369, John Kennedy witness protection 369, John Kennedy Donald Christ Trump 369, time travel witness protection 369. And the day after JFK's assassination was on a Saturday, November 23rd. Saturday, November 23rd is 369. In England, they had the TV show Doctor Who, but because of the events of JFK, they had to re-show it the following Saturday because that week was all focused on JFK globally. And obviously Doctor Who is about a Time Lord. It's all there, people. Hey Rita, how you doing? So I'd encourage you to watch the video I just put up. It'll be in my you're watching lives right now, go to my video selection, it's just gone up, and share that and watch it, because there's loads of codes in there, loads of numbers I did. That's part of 14 months ago, but they're on time. Future proofs past. Time Traveler 148, yep. Simple Gematria 148, Donald J. Trump 148, Emmett Brown 148, The Art of the Deal 148, Project Bluebeam 148. Wait till President Trump reveals what happened back in 2001, because that's coming as well. Alright everyone, much love. Shungite links are below. Go over to Locals, sign up there for free, catch videos next week. If you want to be a subscriber, you get all the content of the videos. You'll get a lot of free content, and you better watch some of the videos and some partial parts of the videos. And there'll be more of those next week. Alright, take care everyone, see you later. I was going to sing Don't Let the Sun Go Down on Me by George Michael. Anyway, I'll see you later, take care, God bless, bye.